Dongguan JIS Intelligent Equipment Co., Limited. Our company upholds the principle of technology first, service supreme. We continuously advance the research and application of drone technology, provide customers with better products and services, and strive to become one of the leading enterprises in the drone industry. JIS has a high-quality R&D team and advanced manufacturing equipment. We are committed to promoting drone technology in a wide range of fields, including agricultural drones, industrial drones, and educational drones. The company has built a standardized production system, tightly controlling product craftsmanship from the source, and implementing rigorous performance testing procedures to ensure qualified quality and stable performance. Our professional team gains an in-depth understanding of customers' real-world application scenarios and pain point requirements to fully satisfy diverse customer needs. We supply not only high-quality standardized drone products, but also customized drone solutions, enabling us to deliver high quality, high performance, high stability drone products and services to our clients.